paint the wheels in gunmetal grey and paint the calipers in red. We're gonna tint all the windows around. We're gonna restore the front headlight and we'll slightly tint on it, and we're gonna tint all the back lights. So I can't wait to get this car done. It's gonna look completely different, completely amazing. So have a look at it now and have a look when we finish how it's gonna be done. So I hope you guys enjoy. Keep watching. It looks completely outstanding, it's completely stunning. I can't believe how it turned out. Well, this is the shadow black. Shadow black is just a deeper black, and it looks satin. It's the new shade of it. Instead of matte black, we get the shadow black, which is much deeper black. It's much shinier, and you get a better finish also. We also tinted the headlights. We put LED lights we've done the wheels, we've done the calipers, we've tinted all the windows, tinted all the backlight. There's so much we've done to this car, it looks completely different. Also done the gel plates and added to the car. It's just completely different. When the owner looks at the car now, it's gonna be shocked completely. So that's pretty much done, guys. I'm gonna take the car outside, let you see outside. I hope you guys enjoy it.